Assalamualaikum. Hey sunshines, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video. I'm very excited and I can't wait to share this journey with you all. If you haven't met yet, hi, I'm Samia Monir. I love all things beauty, lifestyle and productivity. I'm someone who believes that small moments matter. Whether it's getting ready in the morning or having a study session or spending time with family and friends. On this channel, you can expect to see lifestyle videos, daily vlogs, get ready with me, study with me, hijab tutorials, whatnot. I want this to be a space to inspire you to take care yourselves, stay productive, positive, and love beauty of life. I've always watched YouTube videos that make me feel calm, inspired and motivated. And I wanted to make that same feeling for you. This channel is my way of sharing my life, my ideas, and hopefully it will help or inspire you or motivate you to make your own lifestyle. So, if beauty, lifestyle, and cozy productivity vibes is your thing, make sure to subscribe, turn on notification, and join me in this journey. I have so many ideas and I can't wait to share with you. Also, you can share your ideas or what you want to see in this channel. You can comment below. And thanks for being here. See you in the next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.